3, 2, 1.
In the Star Trek universe, what color is Vulcan blood? The answer is B, green. Ganymede is the largest moon of which planet? The answer is B, Jupiter. What anime studio was in charge of the hit anime Made in Abyss? The answer is C, Kaima Citrus. Who recorded the album called Down to the Moon in 1986? The answer is C, Andreas Vollenweider. In the War of the Pacific 1879–1883, Bolivia lost its access to the Pacific Ocean after being defeated by which South American country? The answer is D, Chile. What is the nickname of Northampton Town's rugby union club? The answer is B, Saints. What is the name of the largest planet in Kerbal Space Program? The answer is B, Joule. Artist Leon Ivy Jr. is better known as which rap artist? The answer is B, Coolio. Akatsuki's subclass in Log Horizon is what? The answer is B, Tracker. African-American performer Sammy Davis Jr. was known for losing which part of his body in a car accident? The answer is C, left eye. Which movie served as the KTMA pilot episode for the show Mystery Science Theater 3000? The answer is C, The Green Slime. Which American celebrity died in 1977 playing golf in La Moraleja, Madrid? The answer is C, Bing Crosby. In Cook, Serve, Delicious, which food is not included in the game? The answer is A, pie. Before the 19th century, the living room was originally called the The answer is C, parlor. In Star Wars, what's the name of the new government created after the defeat of the Galactic Empire? The answer is C, the New Republic. Who is depicted on the US $100 bill? The answer is C, Benjamin Franklin. In the TV series Person of Interest, who plays the character Harold Finch? The answer is D, Michael Emerson. In Calvin and Hobbes, what is the name of the principal at Calvin's school? The answer is D, Mr. Stidle. Which SQL keyword is used to fetch data from a database? The answer is B, select. In the game Persona 4, What is the canonical name of the protagonist? The answer is B. Unarukami. Who invented the spanning tree protocol? The answer is A. Radia Perlman. Which Elton John hit starts with the line, "When are you gonna come down"? The answer is C. Goodbye Yellow Brick Road. What engine did the original Half-Life run on? The answer is B. Gold SRC. Which famous artist featured on Rowdy Rebel's 2015 song Computers? The answer is A. Bobby S.H. Murda. In The Binding of Isaac, what is the name of the final boss that you fight in the void? The answer is C. Delirium. With which doubles partner did John McEnroe have most success? The answer is B. Peter Fleming. What is the make and model of the tour vehicles in Jurassic Park 1990? The answer is B. 1989 Toyota Land Cruiser. Which Manchester nightclub was considered central to the Manchester music scene in the late 80s? The answer is C. The Hacienda. In which Call of Duty game are the apothecans introduced in the Zombies mode? The answer is C. Call of Duty, Black Ops Roman 3. Which Portuguese island is soccer player Cristiano Ronaldo from? The answer is A. Madeira. In Shakespeare's play Julius Caesar, Caesar's last words were. The answer is B. Et tu, Brute. The Hyundai Motor Company was founded in which country? The answer is C. South Korea. What was the height of King Ka, the tallest roller coaster in the world from 2005 to 2024? The answer is A. 456 ft. In most FPS video games such as Counter-Strike shooting, which part of the body does the highest damage? The answer is D. Head. What year was the video game streaming platform Twitch TV founded? The answer is A. 2011. In what year did the Great Northern War between Russia and Sweden end? The answer is A. 1721. In Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale, what is Offred's real name is implied to be? The answer is A. June. Which band, with Boy George on lead vocals, won the Brit Awards in 1984? The answer is D. Culture Club. Which of these is not a song featured on Green Day's 21st Century Breakdown album? The answer is B. She's a rebel. Which of these countries is not a part of the Asian continent? The answer is B. Suriname. What are sands and papyrus named after in Undertale? The answer is D. Fonts. In chemistry, how many isomers does butanol C4H9OH have? The answer is A. 4. Which of these is the name for the failed key escrow device introduced by the National Security Agency in 1993? The answer is C. Clipper chip. What was the first game released using the Build engine? The answer is D. Witchhaven. Which of these is not a Fallout protagonist? The answer is D. Tunnel Snake. Which of the following countries ban the use of personal genetic ancestry tests? The answer is B. Germany. Which British band did Keith Moon play in until his death in 1978? The answer is B. The Who. Which of these countries' national teams qualified for the 2018 FIFA World Cup in Russia? The answer is B. Tunisia. In the game Super Hang-On, which is the top speed with the use of turbo? The answer is C. 324 km/h. To the nearest minute, how long does it take for light to travel from the Sun to the Earth?